Hi, this is Gary Cacciatore from CEMTEK KVB-Enertec. Thanks for joining me for my short presentation. Today I want to quickly talk about EPA compliance monitoring for methane utilizing cross-stack tunable diode laser spectroscopy. The typical way of monitoring methane in a process stack or process duct is by utilizing what we typically call a standard extractive continuous emission monitoring system. And continuous emission monitoring systems are typically based on products such as have a probe to pull the sample out of the stack. They have sample line to pull it down to the analyzer cabinet. And of course, you're going to have an analyzer cabinet to house all kinds of components, including analyzers, panels, sample pumps, chillers, filters, adductors, all types of sample handling. That's your typical method. And this cabinet is also typically placed in a shelter, and response time is not the best if you're trying to control the process with it. Can get a little bit costly because of all the components that can take up some space. So I'm going to give you an alternative. And before I start with tunable diode laser spectroscopy, the EPA has already approved using tunable diode lasers for other gas measurements such as HCl and ammonia. And this is a direct text from the EPA website calling out that they prefer using integrated path CEMS, TDLs, to monitor these kind of gases. Okay, TDL can measure many gas components, including methane. And a typical configuration is it only has 3 components to it. It has an analyzer, which is going to house the laser. It's going to have this particular product that CEMTEK utilizes, the Unisearch Associates, utilizes a fiber coupled light source. So we're able to do many things with this product that no other TDL can do. So here's your analyzer. It can be placed up to 2,000 feet away from the process. And all you need to do is hook up fiber optic cable to be able to transmit the laser light source all the way up to the process. And the process is going to have a transmitter and also going to have a receiver, and the light source is going to travel across the path. Now, important to note is in the oil and gas business, they're also possibly having to monitor methane for open path around a plant. This same technology and everything, exactly what I'm telling you, can be applied whether it's open path or on a process. All right, lasers are made of very small crystal type devices, and these are readily available in the telecommunications industry. They're nothing that are custom made and are, again, made by the millions by the telecommunication industry. Here is an example of a existing application. This is actually measuring ammonia for a process plant in, a glass plant in Southern California. And you can see up at the right-hand corner, you're going to have a couple of boxes for the monitoring of the ammonia, and the analyzer was placed at the base plant level. You can see where it's circled right there. Very simple installation, very cost-effective, immediate response time. Those are the big, huge benefits of this product. The other huge benefit is this TDL is able to calibrate without calibration gases, which is very important, cost-saving and efficient. And it does that by utilizing a sealed cell, or otherwise known as a reference cell, filled with the particular gas that you're having to monitor. And this will meet many EPA requirements or process certification requirements. And just in review, there's the laser light, typically across a stack or duct, or again, can be across an open path around a plant. These path lengths can be up to 1,000 feet. Okay, the other big, huge advantage is we are able to multiplex, so we can go up to 8 different sources with one analyzer. So around a plant or numerous applications. Last but not least, very simple maintenance, since there's no pumps or chillers or sample handling. There is essentially no maintenance other than cleaning the windows, which separates the optics box from the stack. And that is a very brief explanation of my presentation. Give me a call or an email if you have any questions.